Hello out there. It's 2014, October, help me out baby, 4th. And I want to give you a first glance of our new apartment. Live well, love much, laughed often. Come in. So, this is our kitchen, as you can see. Very nice. Got some great deals at Ross. Some more deals at Ross. I think that's very nice. Dawn picked this out. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah. So this is what our kitchen looks like. We got a few things last night. We didn't get home till about 12 midnight. So, you know, I'm surprised that we're up.
Actually, no, we got home at 2.
2, yes.
Yeah.
2 o'clock. So let me finish showing you the rest. This is the living room. Where we put in the couch. Of course, we do have a TV, which is, you know, mandatory because we like Walking Dead. We don't want to let anybody know how we got this, you know. It's on a need-to-know basis. You know what I mean? We did some things, and now it's happened. That's the view that we have for our kitchen when we are sitting down, relaxing. This is very nice, by the way. Then we have our balcony, which is okay. Then this is the bedroom. Can't forget about the soldier drawers. A little awkward, but it'll work. It'll give us privacy when we have company or family over.
Or many who need our walkers.
You shouldn't talk stuff like that. But anyway, let's keep going. This is the bedroom. This is our bed for now until we get a real bed. Okay? Then you come into our closet. That's a little light. And bam, you know, some nice shelf space. Right across from that, some more shelf space, top and bottom. A door. With some more privacy, just in case. And then, of course, last but not least, the bathroom. The most used room in the apartment of all other spaces. Come. We take showers, we look in the mirror for long periods of time. You know, just random stuff. We hide from each other. Well, I do. Micah, where you at? I'm in the bathroom. What are you doing? I'll be out when I'm done. This is our bathroom. Very spacious and big. Our sink. Never check to see if the water's running, but let's check it now. We got water. We're good, baby. This is our shower. You know, pretty basic, but very useful, and I'm very excited because we upgraded from a studio to a 1-bedroom. So you know, this is good. It's not much, but we're very thankful and very blessed that we were able to overcome this what would you call it, baby? Challenge, yeah, because we had to vacate the other apartment within 45 days. So this is what happened in 45 days. A new place, partially furnished, TV, 2 silver stools, as you can see, and yeah. So just wanted to give you guys a glance of what's been happening, and you know, hopefully you guys can see the progress as it goes with buying new furniture, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So, aloha from me and Dawn. See you later.
No, that's the truck.
Back down?
I'm not sure.
You want to take a video of it?
I did. I kind of did, but I didn't want to be rude. I just did it really quick. Say hi, babe.
Sure. Gotta get this gas, and then we're gonna go get something to eat. I'm gonna move to some Portuguese sauce.
That is what I wanted from Jack's.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Rice and eggs.
We're gonna eat breakfast. Doodle food. I always call it doodle food. Doodle food.
Ew. Can't say stuff like that.
No, just kidding, because we can't cook yet. He can beat me up. Take his truck. Anyway, today we gotta go get all our boxes and to get back to our house.
What do you do? Don't let me eat without washing my hands because I touched the pump.
Okay.
I'm not a crazy, or am I not? Oh, I'm not crazy. I just don't want to get sick.
Oh, it's moving day and look what we're dealing with. I'll show you. Yep. See all of that? Rain, rain, rain. On moving day. Murphy's Law. It's alright. Whatevs. Oh, we're moving in the pouring rain. In the pouring rain. Yes, it couldn't rain on a better day because what can go wrong will go wrong. It's all good. It's a blessing. I got waterfalls in my mountain! I don't know if you guys can see that, but when it pours here in Makaha, all of the mountain waterfalls, falls water. Waterfalls, falls water, you know what I mean. I love it. It's pretty. It's one of my favorite things. And that's how you know the weather's changing. I'm so excited for fall and winter. There, you can see it. You see it? Aw, it's so pretty, right? It excites me. Hopefully it excites you too. There. Can you see it? For helping you guys. Couldn't have done it without you. Or anything. And today's vlog.
Yeah. So thanks for watching. And we had a very long day.
Yeah.
Moving and
Getting caught in the rain.
moving. Got caught in the rain.
Saw beautiful waterfalls.
I ate some fried chicken and what?
Patele.
Patele.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you later.